Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about how the Web3 world is seriously stepping up its game in sustainability. It's all about making blockchain tech greener and more energy efficient. Let's unpack the latest moves in this space. First off, there is a big push for energy-saving methods like proof of stake or POS for short, ditching the old power-hungry proof-of-work system. This shift is huge because it shows a collective effort to cut down on the blockchain's carbon footprint. Then there's the buzz around carbon offset and renewable energy projects. Big names like Tezos, Flow, and Enjin are leading the charge here. They're all about slashing energy use and backing their NFTs with planet-friendly assets. Pretty cool, right? And let's talk about Polygon's green mission. They're on a quest to go carbon negative, which is ambitious and awesome. They're laying down the groundwork for collaborations aimed at solving some of the biggest environmental challenges. Plus, they're teaming up with initiatives focused on removing carbon from the atmosphere through blockchain. But it doesn't stop at cryptocurrencies. Blockchain tech is branching out into areas like tracking carbon emissions, making supply chains more transparent and sustainable, managing waste better, and even supporting green investments. We're talking about a tech revolution that's not just about making money, but also doing good for our planet. All these efforts mark a shift towards making the blockchain and NFT sectors not only innovative, but also environmentally supportive and responsible. By embracing energy-efficient tech, jumping on carbon offsetting, and building partnerships for sustainability, the blockchain community is really working towards a greener future. That's it for today's talk about blockchain sustainability. It's clear that the community is not just talking the talk, they're walking the walk towards a more eco-friendly tech world. Catch you in the next video for more updates and how tech is changing the world for the better. Bye!